Hello everyone, today we're talking about how to get free golds in Age of Origins. As you can see, I've already installed mod application Age of Origins++. It's like the modded version who allowed you to generate for your account free golds. And this tutorial I will show you how it works and how to get this application for Android or iOS device. Okay, let's start. How it works is very easy. Enter amount of golds as you want in generate to our account. So I enter this number. Okay, and the next step is press button generate. And now as you can see, everything is generated. We must wait to finish this process. After complete of this process, every gold will be generated for our account. Okay, it's already open our account. Wait maybe 1 minute and boom, look at this. Everything is work. Now my account have already 3 golds in Age of Origins. So where I found this application, Age of Origins, how to get for Android or iOS device. This step is so easy to get Age of Origins++ for your device. All you need to do, we must open browser, go to this website as you can see. The next step is type this the Age of Origins. Okay, press button install, wait to finish this process. The last step is verification. Those sponsor game I had to do was play the Travel Town game and Family Islands. And after complete, everything is work and Age of Origins++ is installed in my device.